while we're waiting on some stuff to dry on our car builds, somebody dropped off a little Honda 250. She's got an issue. She won't run. She's got gas. I'm assuming that carburetor stopped up. You can pour some starting fluid down the throat and she'll fire off. She does have some fuel. We'll put some fresh in it. But it's just dead in the water. We're gonna take it off. We gotta remove all the plastic. We're gonna take a tank off, probably clean it out, and get this carb pulled off. All right, we got her down. Wheel it over. We're getting no spark. Hit it. Nothing. We're sussing on the coil. Let's see if it's getting fire. And we're gonna see if we get any voltage at the coil. You ready? 230. Now, let's get this cleaned off. My cylinder is full of fluid, but we got no brakes. We must have a bad master cylinder. And we're still getting no spark. So we probably have a bad coil, but we're going to make sure first. We fast forwarding like a week and it's raining again. We got some parts coming in. We got new box, new coil we're finna put on, new voltage regulator, new plug. Surely one of these fixes it. All right, we have replaced literally every electronic on this dude. Couldn't get fire. We took our switch apart and cleaned it, still wasn't getting fire. And then we took our new, what is it, ICU, ICD box. We put our old one back in, and now we're getting good fire. So I think we're ready to put her back together. We're gonna get her buttoned up and see what comes of her. All right, we shot some gas down her pipe. Got the plug back in it. Oh, battery's weak. Let's see. Let's wait and let it charge a little bit and we'll go to round two. Make sure that battery is not connected. Maybe the other one. Yeah. That's charging. Another problem I see, the fuel shut off like it's been ethanol fuel sitting in it for quite a while. We're going to clean that because it does not have very much flow coming out of it. Now let's see. That got it. Let's put it back together. Alright, let's see if she'll run. No brakes yet. We got to put brakes on it. Oh yeah, she's a runner.